Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really wanted to sit down and film this video for you guys because I got a package in the mail from Boxycharm yesterday, which was a little bit too large to be the regular Boxycharm box. So when I opened it, I was really surprised because it had a ton of products in it. And then I emailed them and they actually told me they're doing like a best of Boxy special for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So today's video is not sponsored. I was not required to film this video, but because a lot of you guys are interested in Boxycharm, or honestly just saving money when it comes to buying makeup, I thought I would share an unboxing with you guys on my channel. So I'm going to put all of the details in the description box below so I don't leave anything out, but essentially they're going to have 3 different sized boxes available starting on Tuesday, November 20th through November 26th. So basically the boxes come with full-size beauty skincare products, and a lot of the brands and products were featured in previous Boxycharm boxes. So if you are subscribed and you like these products, it might be a great option to grab, or if you've been wanting to try Boxycharm but you just weren't sure which brands and products you would get, this would be a great introduction. So there is a $59 box which comes with 7 products, and that's valued at around $200. And then there is a $79 box which comes with 8 products that's valued at around $250. The box that I'm sharing today is the $99 box which comes with 18 products, and it's valued at around $500. I just glanced in the box, but it looks like the majority of the products are full size, and there are some really popular brands in there like TARTE, IT Cosmetics. So I'm excited to go through and show you all of the products. They did say there are a few variations within the box, but only like 1 or 2 products are going to be possible variations. So if you buy this box, these will be like the majority of the products that you actually get. I won't swatch everything because I do have a lot of these products, or I've tried a lot of them, so I will include most of these in like an upcoming holiday giveaway. I just thought this video might be helpful for those of you considering the box. So let's jump into it and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so the first thing in here is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Stunner. I do remember that this came in a previous box. I didn't get it in one of my boxes, so I haven't actually tried this product, but I do remember a lot of people liking this. I think it can be built up to look pretty intense, or you can sheer it out to look a little bit more natural, and you can mix it into your foundation if you prefer more of a glowy foundation. This is from the brand Crown, and it is one of their eyeshadow palettes. I actually did get this one in a box, and I really like it. The matte shadows are very, very blendable. The metallic shadows are so like rich and beautiful, and I just think it's a very cohesive palette. If you like warm tone shadows, this one's a great option. So it would be nice to keep for yourself, or of course you could pass it along as a gift to somebody else. This was actually one of my favorite products that we got in Boxycharm this year. It is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette. This comes with a lot of gorgeous cooler tone shadows. There are some browns, some blues, and the shadows are nice. Like, they're not overly powdery, they're not overly blendable, so they hold their pigmentation really well, and I actually use this a bunch of times. If I do a video on my favorite Boxycharm products of 2018, this will definitely be on the list. The next thing in here is something that I did receive as well. It is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection. So this actually comes with colorful highlighters. These are pretty. You can use them on the face. You can also use them on the eyes. I personally didn't get a lot of use out of it because I'm not that big into super colorful highlighters, but if you are, this one might be a great option because you can mix them, you can wear them, like I said, on the face or the eyes, and they're kind of fun and bright if you're into that. It also comes with the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sanctuary. I did get one of these in one of my boxes, but I got like an intense purple. This one's pretty. It's a little bit more of like a cool toned plummy brown, so I think more people might find that wearable than like the electric purple that I got in my box. The next product is from COVERFX. These are the glitter drops, and this one is in the shade Lunar. We just got these in a box. Ooh, these are so fun. We just got these in a box last month, but the ones that I got were gold, which I love because I think those are a little bit more wearable for like day-to-day makeup. And I just got done saying I don't really wear colorful highlighters, but this is really pretty. This is really fun. I think it could be fun to try out. The glitter drops are worth like $45 though, so that is a great product. There's another product from COVERFX. This one is the blurring primer. The blurring primer is really nice if you have oily skin because I find it to be a little bit more mattifying, and it's also a little bit like a pore minimizing primer. So I do enjoy this primer. COVERFX products are really, really high quality, but they're also a little bit expensive, so it's awesome they included 2 COVERFX products. The IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is also in here, which is like my favorite mascara of all time. It makes your lashes so thick and voluminous and dramatic, and if you don't really wear false lashes like me, then this one is a great option because It doesn't make it look like you're wearing false lashes, but it makes your lashes look really, really dramatic. So it's kind of nice to get that drama and volume without having to apply false lashes. So I really do love this one. Oh, okay, this is fun. They included the ALAMAR Cosmetics brush trio. I actually use these 3 brushes all the time. They're right on my vanity. I use the crease brush to actually blend in concealer, and then I use like the flat definer brush to carve out my brows, and then I use the like super flat brush as an eyeliner brush. These brushes are really beautiful. They work so well with cream products and also powder products, and I hope she creates more brushes because I just really enjoy these. I actually haven't tried this product. It is the English Laundry number 7. Is it a fragrance? It is a little perfume. I have tried something from this brand in the past, but it was a pink perfume. I don't remember what the scent was, but I really enjoyed it. So that's kind of fun. I don't remember ever getting a perfume in my Boxycharm. Did you guys get this in a previous box? The next thing is the Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. I don't remember getting this in a box. I don't think I did. So it's a 9-pan neutral eyeshadow palette. I definitely didn't get this one, but if you are a fan of staple neutral colors, this one might be a great option for you. There are a lot of lighter shades, so I actually think this might be an ideal palette for you if you have a fair or light skin tone, or if you have a darker skin tone and you just want some good highlight shades mixed with a few dark shades, this might be a great option for you as well. Okay, there are a few more products. The ADESSE New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment. Oh, I actually have this. I use this every single time I do my nails. It is their Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, and it's really great at just making sure your cuticles are very well hydrated. I haven't tried any other products from this brand, but the cuticle oil is really good. The next product is, oh, it's actually from the same brand. This is their High Definition Liquid Lipstick. So I guess they don't just make nail products, but they also make makeup products. This does not have a shade name on it, but it looks like a medium peachy nude. And then the next product in here is by the brand Lashaholic. These are luxury lashes in the style Instaglam. These are kind of nice because they're not overly dramatic. I actually just purchased some lash glue because I think I'm going to get back into false lashes just on occasion. I won't wear them every single day like I used to because I got addicted, but I do like these because they're not like super intense, but they would still add some drama to your eye look. But the next product is from GIRLACTIK. I actually haven't tried anything from this brand, including this product. It is the Skin Glow in Moonlight. I remember people getting this in their box. So if you guys got this, let us know how you like it. But basically it comes with a cream highlighter and a cream blush. Both of them look really beautiful. The next thing is the AESTHETICA P12 brush. This one looks like it will be great for powder, for contour, for blush. This is very, very soft, and it doesn't hurt to get brushes in subscription boxes or in boxes like this because I think they always come in handy. So this could be really fun. The next thing is by the brand Luscious Angel Eyes. It is an eyeshadow primer and base. I've never heard of this brand. I haven't tried this product, so I can't speak to the quality, but this one is in the shade Nude, so that will come in handy, especially because there are some eyeshadow palettes in the box. And if you're purchasing this box as a gift for somebody, you can always pass this along if you have like your go-to eye primer. Okay, the last thing in the box is actually something that I've been wanting to try. This is on my Sephora wish list and I just haven't purchased it yet. It is the Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel palette. I'm so surprised they included this because I think it's at least $50. There are some high valued products in here. Oh wow, the packaging is absolutely beautiful. I remember seeing this in stores the one time and it was even more beautiful in person than it was online. It feels so gorgeous. This would make a great gift or a great gift to yourself if you are into contour palettes, but it comes with 6 different shades. 2 of them are like highlight shades, one's matte, one is shimmer, and then you get a bunch of contour shades as well. So those are all of the products inside the box. I wanted to share this video with you guys because I think $99 for all of these products is a literal steal. That is such a good deal. I obviously can't speak to like the smaller boxes because I don't know which products they will include, but $99 for all of these products is a great deal. There's some really high-end, like high-quality brands in here like IT Cosmetics, COVERFX, Tarte, and then there are some products that I love like the ALMOND brushes, the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. I would say that I've tried out the majority of these products and I've been pretty happy with the results. So again, if you guys are interested in this box, I'll put the information in the description box below. But what do you guys think? Are you going to try to grab it? Are you interested? Let me know. Again, you don't have to be subscribed to Boxycharm to grab this box. It might be a good way to kind of introduce yourself to Boxycharm because these are a lot of the brands and products that we got in 2018. So if you like this box, you might want to try out Boxycharm as a subscription box, but let me know if you guys plan on grabbing this. I will be back tomorrow probably with a new video. November and December are so busy if you film beauty videos because there are so many like deals and products to talk about, and I have a bunch of like Cyber Monday and Black Friday videos that I want to film. So this is just the first of many, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.